flying fast, going up my hill, up my driveway. This is my Avata drone squeezing between two trees. Oh, that was tight. Made it. Whew. All right, let's go around my basketball goal, and we're gonna fly this around. This trip did not go as well as I planned. As I make this last corner, as I cross the back beam, you'll see I bump into it. There I go. I crashed. All right, across my dead stump. It's cruising across my backyard, and we're gonna go in the backyard now, and we're gonna squeeze between these railings, and oh, that was tight. Yes, it was tight. All in butt, we're gonna go through my neighbor's split rail fence, right under, past the leaf, around the corner, down my side yard, around the stump that the tree cutters left behind. Thank you. And we're gonna haul butt along the side of my driveway. As you see, leaves and twigs kick up. We're gonna pick up a leaf here that I didn't even realize I had. Oh, there it is. So I didn't even see that while I was flying. So we're gonna continue cruising around my backyard, and you can see this twigs and leaves and everything flying up. That leaf is hanging on. There's my concrete pad and my basketball goal where I crashed earlier and stopped for my leaf. There it is.